Ngisho nje sesibona sishaya abantu bami khona washo amagama afuna ukuthi sinohulumeni wokuqala nga emazweni jikelele ukuthi uma kumele ame nathi akame nathi kodwa usabisa ngokusilethela amasosha namaphoyisa wona lamaphoyisa angekho masiwadinga kodwa makumele ukuthi kulwe nathi even igama elithi illegal lisho ukuthi umthetho yijele kodwa ngoba kusho yithina sekumele manje silwiswe sekumele kubizwe amasosha uyalela ukuthi abantu abangantshontsheki ngegama labantu ngoba abantu bazimashela peacefully angahamba kuyothathwa imali kuthiwa hayi khona isipitsi onke senzakalayo siyovikela ngoba utshungizwe kulanda ngisho nabantu amasosha asaretire ukuze azolisana nabantu bakuleli tshungizwe musana utshontsha ngegama lethu Sanza wethu sinalakhuluma kama the video is going pininas.
A country of anyone that comes in and out. The 30th of June is very close. We need to deal with these matters decisively. I'm begging you, as a leader of the society and as a leader of Amapinga, and sibonga bonke abantu abamsana nathi ukuthi bebe peaceful. And we are appealing to our government not to steal the money of our country on our name. Never. Kuyicala ukuthi ngizokuthiwa umama lo ugogo lo phethe amasosha ubuyisa amasosha asemazweni angaphandle na asemalivini ukuthi awabuye kusolo ngomhla ka-15 June kuzoba ngasanyaka seluthe South Africa sigcwele amasosha ibudget yonke leyo namaphoyisa kuthiwa ayangezwa ibudget yonke leyo and nisenifuna ukuntshontsha in the name of us marching peacefully doing what you have failed to do having so much resources having so much power to our country. The word illegally, it means jail and facing the rule of law. But you know exactly what we are talking about. But you have seemed to be ignoring all of that. As a result of you are earning a lot of money from outside. You got mines outside. You are eating with the illegal immigrants, imali, yama drugs, and all is well for you. We know exactly, we're not stupid. We know exactly that the country need official people from other countries so that we can share the work relations. What you have, I will supply to you, and what I don't have, I will receive from you. What you don't have, these people are bringing into our own country. There is no war in Zimbabwe. There is no war in Tanzania and all the other countries that are neighboring countries.